Here is a close look at the Good Grips Upright Sweep set. I absolutely love this set and it definitely works very well. We've got our nice easy to grip handles up here, and it goes back together just like that. You just stick the handle part in and then it stores very nicely. So let me give you a closer look. The bristles work very well, works very well cleaning. I don't think the teeth, oh, sorry for that. I don't think the teeth here are super effective at cleaning off the bristles, so just keep that in mind, but I do think it's still a nice addition. The only thing that I will say about this set that I'm not quite as big a fan of is just the height of it. So as you'll see here, it's kind of short, and I'm not even that tall. So you might have to bend down just a little bit to be able to use this broom and the dustpan well, and it might get uncomfortable if you have to do this for a longer period of time, but other than that, I think this is a great set. It definitely does the trick and cleans floors.